So we're about to refill the oil in this engine that we've drained the oil from. This is the funnel. I got this from Repco. It's a pretty handy thing. You fill it up to whatever you want. These bikes hold about 600 ml of oil, and then it's got this shut-off valve in the blue bit. You twist that. Good idea to have your bike level when you do this as well. I got this scissor jack thing off eBay. It's pretty handy. I'll stop it just before all the oil drains in case it overflows a little bit. And the oil level is full when your bike is level and it's just about to come out the filler plug, and that looks like that is pretty good actually.